This unit is one of our special lift and tip units. It's designed for big vessels. It can handle different vessel sizes. So at the front here, this is the rotating head. So basically, to operate this unit, we have two chains at the front which secure the vessel into the head. So we'll show you a bit more close-ups later to show you how you adjust it. But the basis of it is these forks at the bottom here go underneath the vessel. The vessel tucks underneath these top here, and then the vessel is held in with these two securing chains. So to get the vessel in, we unlatch the chains, move them to the side, push the vessel in, secure the chains, and we need to make sure the chains are quite tight round the vessel. We want to take all the slack out we can, but I'll show you this from a front view in a moment. At the back of the unit is the power controls. So it's a manually pushed unit with power lift and power rotation. So we switch the unit on. We make sure no one is forward of this position, because obviously this head goes up and down. So it's the operator's responsibility to make sure everyone's behind the control position. So we look, make sure it's clear. We can press lift. Once the head's cleared the floor, we need enough space underneath the unit to rotate the head. Then we have a rotate panel here, and if we press rotation, and back again. What we'll do now is we'll move around to the front view, and we'll show you how we make the various connections and adjustments. We're now looking at the two front securing chains here, top and bottom chain, and they have these safety hooks in. So basically you press the lever, that opens up the hook, and you're able to put them round the vessel and connect in to the tightest position by pressing the lever on the back, putting it in and locking. So that's locked number one, and exactly the same on number two. Press the button, open the hook, and shorten up as much as possible. We're now looking at the adjustable pad. So there's one on the left and right, and also on the back of the frame. We can adjust these in or out depending on the size of the vessel. They're held in with these two pins. So to bring the pad in, we simply take out the R pins, pull the pins out, bring the clamp all the way in, refit the pins, and then put the R pins back in the bottom, which holds them in place. And that's it, that's the pad fixed on the inner position. And obviously do that on all four pads for the larger or smaller vessel. We'll move now around to the control panel at the back of the unit. We're now looking at the control panel. First thing is the power key. You can take this out, put the key back in, switch to the on position. Battery condition meter tells us how much power is in. It's important to keep the batteries topped up. You don't want the batteries running down, because when the meter starts running down, you'll start to find the functions not working properly. This is emergency stop. Push this down, cancels all power to the unit. To reset, lift back up. Then we have, this is the lift panel. So we press lift, lower, again, rotate panel, rotate forwards, rotate back, and the battery charger plugs in to the right hand side of the panel using the battery connection lead.